Ever found yourself in a bind, needing to top up your Grabpay wallet but short on digital payment options? Maybe you're a traditionalist who prefers the tangible feel of cash. Or perhaps you're simply new to the Grabpay ecosystem and unsure about the ins and outs. Well, today, we're diving deep into a question that many Grabpay users have: what time does Grabpay accept cash? Grabpay, a digital wallet that's revolutionized the way we pay, offers a plethora of features. From cashless transactions to food deliveries, it's become an indispensable tool for many. But one question that often pops up is about its cash acceptance hours. The nitty-gritty of cash deposits. Unfortunately, Grabpay doesn't directly accept cash deposits. It's primarily a digital payment platform. However, there are a few workarounds to add cash to your Grabpay wallet. Over-the-counter, OTC, payments. Authorized outlets. Look for authorized outlets like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, or other convenience stores. Cash payment. Pay cash to the cashier for the desired Grabpay top-up amount. Phone number or QR code. Provide your Grabpay registered phone number or scan the QR code displayed on your Grabpay app to the cashier. Real-time crediting. The funds should be credited to your Grabpay wallet almost instantly. Online banking. Bank transfer. Transfer funds from your bank account to your Grabpay wallet. Quick and easy, this method is convenient and often processed quickly. Tips for a smooth cash top-up experience. Check outlet hours. Ensure the authorized outlet is open during your preferred time. Confirm with cashier. Double-check with the cashier to avoid any misunderstandings. Keep your Grabpay app handy. Have your app ready to provide the necessary information. Monitor your wallet balance. Keep an eye on your Grabpay balance to plan your expenses. Why the digital shift? While cash deposits offer a traditional approach, Grabpay is increasingly encouraging digital transactions. This shift towards digital payments offers several advantages. Convenience, quick and easy transactions without the need for physical cash. Security, reduced risk of losing cash or becoming a victim of theft. Rewards and promotions, enjoy exclusive deals and discounts on various services. Cashless society, contribute to a more efficient and environmentally friendly future. So, while Grabpay doesn't directly accept cash, the OTC payment method provides a convenient workaround. By understanding these options and following the tips, you can easily top up your Grabpay wallet and enjoy the benefits of a digital lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.